Another year, another Vivo flagship with an impressive camera setup, top-class display, and an alternative high-end chipset. The X100 Pro just went global. Featuring a trio of 50MP cameras, an advertised 3000 nit peak brightness screen, and an all-big core dimensity SoC, the latest and greatest in the company's X series sure sounds exciting, and we have the review for you. The camera system is headlined by a 1-inch sensor that Vivo lists as 1/0.98 inch. A periscope telephoto camera takes the zoom level to 4.3x optically. The display maintains the 6.78-inch diagonal of the previous generation, and the resolution remains unchanged too, but Vivo is boasting a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits. We'll see about that. The X100 Pro comes with a 5400 mAh power pack in a sea of 5,000 mAh or smaller competitors. Is it just to keep up with that beast of a MediaTek chip, or are we in for longevity records? Display, 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, 120 Hz, 3000 nits, peak, 1260x2800px resolution, 20:9 aspect ratio, 453 ppi. Memory, 256 GB 12 GB RAM, 256 GB 16 GB RAM, 512 GB 16 GB RAM, 1 TB 16 GB RAM, UFS 4.0. OS/software, Android 14, FunTouch 14, International, Origin OS 4, China. Front camera, 32MP, f/2.0, wide. Battery, 5400 mAh, 100W wired, 1 to 50% in 12 minutes, advertised, 50W wireless, reverse wired. Connectivity, 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 7, BT 5.4, aptX HD, NFC, infrared port. Miscellaneous, fingerprint reader, under display, optical, stereo speakers.